We have another tool review. In this video, we're going to review a laser level. But this laser level has a unique feature. So if you're looking to upgrade your laser level or you're in the market for a new one, you may want to stay tuned and watch this. This just might be your next laser level. More right after this. I'm Rick, and this Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nail that for your sanity. This is the Shack. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Shack. Yes, we have a tool review, but this tool, spoiler alert, has a feature many other brands don't have. Even some of your big brand names in the $400 to $800 range don't even have this feature. So at this price point, this should be your go-to laser level kit. This video, we're just focusing on what's included in the kit. I'm going to show you all the accessories, but I will show you a little teaser, a little function this laser has. Watch the next video so you can get a complete in-depth review about all the functions, the accessories, everything about this laser level. We'll go through the laser level, all the accessories, the laser level remote control, the laser level app, show you all the function, everything about that. So I'm going to readjust the camera and let's just dive right in. And this is what we have, Huepar Laser Level. So let's get this out of the box. I gotta find my razor and let's open it up. And I don't have it here. Where's my fly swatter? Because I got a fly bugging me right now. Gotcha! Hoo-yah! Okay, let me try to figure out where this thing opens up at. There we go. Shoo. All right. I'm gonna get this out of the way. Once out of the box, you're presented with this very nice, very solid carrying case that will keep your tool secure. Open it up. This is everything that is included in this kit. Now, when I first opened this, I had this nice little sheet of stickers. These are all different stickers. You have a Huepar, you got your name and phone number. You could put it on the case or inside here or on the tool or something. You know, these nice little, fun little stickers here. Warning, keep your hands off my Huepar. Or I really like this one, warning, serious injury or death. Or death may be the result if you touch my Huepar. And you got all these other little stickers, but you have a couple different laser levels themselves, different model numbers. You have the laser receiver here, just a bunch of different stickers, Huepar stickers, love my Huepar. It's just really neat, something cool. One thing I did not have was the manual. I reached out to Huepar. I got a link to download the manual. So I don't know if that's protocol now. It doesn't come with the manual. You have to download it. I mean, it's 147 pages only because it's 6 different languages. So that might be cheaper to download in your language versus putting that into every kit. So it could be a cost-effective thing. I'm not sure. As I stated, we're just taking things out of here. I'm going to show you what they are. The next video, we're going to go in much more detail and depth, and I'll talk maybe about that also once I hear back from Huepar, if that's normal now or it's just because they sent this to me. They didn't give me the manual. we'll find out. So let me slide this over here. And I'm going to readjust the camera so it'll be focused. I'm going to move this out of the way and I'm going to show you each item that I pull out. The first thing I'll pull out, they have this in the case just like this, sandwiched all together. You have a target, and I'll explain more about this, but there's an issue with this. My very first laser level, I had problems, literally dropped it. It landed like this with a couple feet off the ground. It sheared off here because these are just nipples snapped into the little holes drilled in this on either side here on the tab. Weak point, so to me those are junk. I don't even bother with them. You have a lift, I call these scissor lifts. This is 1 inch high. It has an adjustable height of 2.5 inches, so this is 1 inch. Fully raised up, the top is 3.5 inches. This is a metal plate. You can mount this to a wall. Mount it to the wall like that, and the mount that the laser mounts to is magnetic. It sticks to this, or you can tape it to a brick. You can do many things with it. It's just something that if you don't have metal around, metal beams, metal studs, the magnetic mount will be able to mount to this. Next up is the adapter. This is 5/8 to 1/4-20 adapter. Next we have the USB wall adapter, USB to USB-C charge cable for the battery or just to run the laser itself. You have only one battery. Sadly, I'm a big component. I love two. You have your port here to charge USB-C. No indicator of charge, but once this is plugged into the laser level itself, laser level has an indicator stating the charge of the battery. This is a 2.6 amp hour battery. We'll go in more detail about that in the next video. You have a safety cable. Next we have the remote. We'll definitely go more in depth, but I'll show you something about this and the laser level itself in just a moment. You have the flap on the side here. This is a rechargeable remote. Next we have the mount itself. Pretty basic for the kit. I am a little bit surprised on that. Magnetic back, so you can slap it to the plate. You mount that to the wall someplace and that'll stick right to it. Or it has 1/4 inch and 5/8. This spins 1/4-20, mounts to your laser level itself. I have a question about this. Again, if you watch the next video, I'm going to go in depth about everything. So moving on. Last piece is the laser level itself. This is a 16 line 4 laser level. Got a bottom, 2 sides, 1 top. Has the USB-C charge here. So if your battery's dead and if you have the convenience of an electrical outlet nearby, you can plug this in and continue to work. That's why I say I prefer 2 batteries. So if the battery dies, you don't have to worry about finding an outlet. You just put in another battery and keep going. This is your manual, or is manual pivoting. You can spin this. See, it'll spin your laser level 360. It pivots horizontally this way. On and off switch, your screen, and you have touch controls here, which I'm going to show you now. So this is my little teaser. This is something that the other lasers do not have, and I am absolutely ecstatic about it. So let me get the remote. I'm going to push and hold for like 2 to 3 seconds. Green, it is on. And I'm going to power this on. So these touch controls, you literally just put your finger on it, hardly any pressure at all. I want you to see, let me turn it this way. I want you to see this. Yeah, I know. Oh, I need actually. So watch the laser itself when I put my finger on here. All right, let me move it here so you can see this. Yes, this is motorized pivoting 360 degrees. Also with the remote. It has 3 speeds and you can control it with the app too. Again, my next video, we're going to really dive in deep. Just give you a little teaser though. There's all your screen, very sensitive, very nice. You don't have to push on anything, so that way because you might jostle the pendulums themselves. This way you just put pressure on it and it works. Unbelievable. You have to see it in action. So that's everything that is included in this kit. So basically, we are done until the next video. Didn't I tell you? That is an amazing feature. That feature is not even on your higher end, and I've checked $400 to almost $1,000 range laser level kits. None have the motorized pivoting on it. And some of them I've seen only come with 3 lasers. This has 4. There's so much more packed into this little kit than your higher end laser level kits. Now some in about $800 range come with the laser receiver and a tripod, but that's not always a good thing. Sometimes you can get a better deal, get a better tripod going outside versus sticking with one brand. So you guys, you got to get the blinders off. You got to see the whole field. You got to look at all the name brands. I've said it before. My shop is not one brand specific. I do like certain things and certain tools, from woodworking, power tools, to mechanic tools. I got Craftsman to Snap-on and everything in between. So I hope this has maybe sparked a little interest. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell so you can watch the next video when we get very detailed and into everything. And I show you the remote, show you, upload the app, go through everything, setting it up, show you how it functions, all of that good stuff. So you know, if you buy this tool, you know exactly how it works, the functions, and you're good to go to start your project. Laser levels are a good thing to have, and the price point, this, I'm telling you, is the go-to laser level kit right now. I'm just saying. So thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. Build it for your sanity. Last year, there was a kit I really liked. That was my go-to. How things evolve, change, upgrade. You never know who's going to come out with the next best thing. So right now, I think Huepar, that is definitely the go-to kit for right now. For its price point, it beats even the big brand name boys. They just set the bar to a whole new level. Pun intended. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next video.